Okay, so let's see what Philip's up to. Remember the idea is, not the idea, but one thing I said is read through. It's going to take you a little while to read through the sentences, to see what the story is, to get an idea of what we're doing. Philip opens a savings account, deposits a certain amount of money. Money is left in the account and no further deposits are made. Cool. So he puts the money in, invests it for a certain amount of time. For 5 years. So after 5 years, the accumulated amount in the account. Amount in the account. No, not again, right? Amount in the account is 64,840 Rand and 46 cents. If the interest rate is 9.7% per annum compounded monthly, okay, that seems like it's going to be important. Determine the amount originally invested. So what we're trying to find this time is clearly we don't know what the original amount is. So let's write down our formula and let's fill in the bits we know. So accumulated amount equals principal amount 1 plus interest number of compounding periods. Accumulated amount we see is 64,840,46. Principal amount we don't know. One we know is 1, plus is a plus. Interest rate 9.7%. Okay, so be careful. It's not 0.97 because that would be 97%. So it's 0.097. So that's 9.7. Like there's the hundreds column there. So that's 9.7. Okay. Compounded monthly. So 12. It's 5 years. That's all we've got. And it's monthly, so it's 5 times 12 is 60. Okay, so here we go. We've got our question, and now we need to work backwards. Now, all we need to do on each side is we want P. So we're going P times something. So we need to do, there's a times over here. So let's do the opposite. Let's divide both sides. Now you certainly don't need to show this, but I'm showing you so we can see what we're doing. We're dividing it by that whole thing there. 0.97 over 12 to the 60, so that those things we can cancel. One term over one term. Whatever we do on one side, we do on the other. 1 plus 0.097 over 12 to the 60. And we're going to put that whole thing in our calculator and go, cool, not equals. That was, I don't know what I was thinking there. Let's take ourselves up here and say, therefore, P equals, and we punch that whole thing, 64,842,46 divided by 1 plus all of that, and we get P equals a nice round 40,000 Rand. Okay, so that's what we do. As I say, you don't need to show this divide that you're doing in your calculator and you're getting your answer. And there we are. Ooh. So what's next up is these are the questions to do that are in the textbook, which is at the bottom of the website.